Hello guys, for today's video guys, so naging traffic tayo. As you can see the flag of the Saudi Arabia Sea guys, ayun yun. So we are here in inside in the taxi, and now we are going to Bata, and you know, keep it to you because I have my own. Yeah, so now we are here in taxi for a few minutes. We are there at our location in Village Mall. We're going to buy groceries, and after that we will go to restaurant to eat some delicious food, Filipino food also, because we gonna like eating Filipino food, you know.
We have Mang Inasal.
Yeah,
my favorite Mang Inasal.
Shout out nga pala sa
1K viewers.
Right, left side ko, it's Jonathan from Caro Restaurant. He's the one chef, stop in Caro.
Then ako.
Yeah.
It's me, Emerson. Don't forget
to follow in TikTok, Innocence? That is Innocence? So for today's video guys, malapit na tayo makarating sa pupuntahan natin, kung saan maraming mga Pilipino na gumagdayo doon. So ngayon guys, nasa way na tayo kung saan malapitan na.
Sabi mo, nag-shortcut kami para mabilis kayo makuha.
Kaya sagutin mo na kung
may kasama namin,
problema yan.
Kasama namin, bimbang na.
Sana yun talaga yung mga may nakabingbangan dyan.
Meron 150 dyan, may babaho, may babago, liguan mo lang.
Ay, thank you for coming ngayon for today's video guys. Grabe. Smooth ang takbo ng taxi namin, and then good, very good.
Too much.
And the easy is perfect, you know, the easy aircon. You know, the aircon is very highly recommended because number 4, right?
Yes.
Taxi? Number 4, siya the aircon, ha?
Number 4 level?
Aywa.
Number 4 daw.
Mashallah.
Come
on more into Habibi.
40.
Huh? 40? Siya the more. Ana? Talatin. Aywa.
Talatin.
Kung nakikita ninyo sa bandang side dito na medyo naging traffic na guys, kasi nga mga hapon-hapon na dito sa Saudi Arabia, and then at the same time the madrasa is ongoing, so marami nang nag-aaral na, may mga sasakyan na mga auto, so yun, marami talagang sasakyan na dumadayo sa mga tarik-tarik na to. Diba? Assalamualaikum, ya masalam habibi kalas.